Well, a lot has happened here at Clever Name Garage, and we have video of almost none of it. It's mainly my fault. Um, we got the motor back from the machine shop. He assembled the lower end. We were here last night until 1 o'clock in the morning, just putting the heads and cam and everything in. It's going together great. We, of course, we're missing a couple pieces, so we had to go on an excursion to go rob another motor of a couple of these oil deflectors. I don't know what happened to them. Probably the person we bought the heads from probably just forgot to put them in the thing. So we were up doing that. Also decided to start cleaning up the transmission. Underneath all that oil, there actually was some metal. We still need to give it more of a scrub, but I think the next thing we're going to open up the pan, see what's looking like there, change the front and rear seals, and as long as there's nothing crazy in the pan, we're probably just going to run it and see what happens. Also, tires came in. 215 70/14s for the front and 225 70s for the rear, also 14s. Only problem is our cool steel wheels have too small of a hole to fit over this giant drum that we don't even think actually belongs on this car. So we don't know what's going on there. Fits, obviously they fit fine in the back, fit just like they're supposed to, but not sure what's going on with the front. And I think I showed everybody we had just laid the carpeting in to test fit it. We're going to pull it back out and POR the underside of this floor, even though it looks pretty damn good. We're still going to put some of that stuff over it. And that's really where we stand right now. We're also trying to find in the vast collection of parts if we've got spindles, rotors, and everything else to put this back to a disc setup. I'm sure we have it somewhere. It's just finding it all. We might be going through bins and bins and bins. We're also still not sure if we're going to reuse this linear power steering pump booster thing. But I guess that remains to be seen. So that's our quick little update. We'll keep you guys up to date on more as things happen. Again, Chris loves when you like and subscribe and comment and everything else. So please make his day. And thank you. But wait, there's more. After digging around in all the old Mustang stuff, we do have a disc brake spindle and some calipers that probably are going to need to be just used as cores. So we've got that. Unfortunately, we still don't have a rotor that fits inside the 2.5 inch or so hole. In fact, this rotor for some reason doesn't even fit on that spindle, so I don't even know what it goes to. But yeah, that disc brake, I mean, it just bolted right on in place of the big drum. I couldn't even get the drum off of there, so I'm glad that we had something we didn't have to mess with that. But now we're signing off for this video. Thanks again.